Hey, welcome back. We're continuing on with solving single-step equations, building up just some of the basics of algebraic solving equations, figuring out how to isolate variables, figuring out how to take an equation and just rearrange it nicely. So now we're going to involve a problem with some multiplication. Here, let's interpret what we've got here. So we've got negative 4 times, or multiplying, an unknown value, w, is equal to 28. Okay, so again, our goal is to figure out, well, what is that unknown? I want to isolate it, I want to rearrange it, I want to be able to tell what that unknown value is. So let's think about it. I'm going to even write it in an expanded form. Negative 4 times w equals 28. I'm going to draw my line down because I'm going to be doing stuff to both sides, and my goal is to get that w all by itself and find out, well, what does it equal? I got to isolate it. So remember when we did addition and subtraction, we talked about, well, what is the opposite? How do I undo subtracting something, undo adding? In this case, I have w, but I have this negative 4 multiplying it that I don't want. I just want w by itself. I want to know what w is. So I need to think about, how do I undo that multiply by negative 4? What's the opposite step? Well, multiplying, the opposite step is to divide. So if I take everything on this left side and divide it by negative 4, let's think about what happens here. I have negative 4 times w, but it's now being divided by negative 4. I can rewrite it like this on the left side to get negative 4 divided by negative 4, and it's still multiplied by w. So all work with fractions lets us rewrite it like this. Well, what happens to negative 4 divided by negative 4? Negative 4 divided by negative 4, any number divided by itself just turns into 1. So I have 1 times w, and we've seen that anything times w is just itself. Any number times 1 is just itself. So when I divided, did the opposite step and undid the multiplying by negative 4. But we got to go back and do the same thing to both sides. We didn't do that here. So let's go back. If I divide the left side by negative 4, I need to divide the right side by negative 4. 28 divided by negative 4 is going to be negative 7. So it looks like our solution should be that w equals negative 7. Well, let's check it out. Check it out over here. Put negative 7 in the equation. Does negative 4 times negative 7, does that equal 28? Yeah, but negative times a negative equals a positive. 4 times 7 is 28. So it checks out good. We solved it out. I'm feeling pretty good about this problem.